अन्ना आइए.
नहीं वेट सर वेट सर वेट सर वेट
आने दो ना इधर
अरे
आने.
अंदर आओ
हाँ,
ना
वेट,
सर सर आइए टोनी अंकल आइए टोनी टोनी कितना
अरे इधर लेना है इधर. अन्ना आइए ना यहाँ. अरे यहाँ लेते ना यार.
यहाँ प्लेट अच्छी आएगी
आ जाओ आइए. ये आठ पीछे.
अन्ना अंदर आइए
सब पीछे पीछे रहो सब पीछे पीछे रहो
हाँ
चल चल वो साइड चल.
इधर इधर
उधर चल उधर. चलना उधर.
सर थोड़ा सा साइड
आइए ना अन्ना इधर. हाँ ये ले. मैं तो बोलो इधर साइड में देखेगा.
अन्ना इधर अरे भाई देखना कितना नीचे है भाई
नीचे आना हल्का यार इतना
अरे
अंडरवर्ल्ड
क्या मोबाइल पीछे ले.
सर मनु क्यों
अन्ना सोलो
सर सोलो सर
सर सोलो दे दो ना
सर एक सोलो
हाँ
अन्ना इधर इधर ही.
अन्ना
सही है सही है. चल पीछे पीछे आना रे.
अरे भाई लोग थोड़ा सा स्टॉप साइड सर यहाँ पर
सर अच्छे लग रहे हो आप थैंक यू सर
सर पहले ही से हैंडसम
सर एक बार सर
सुनील सर आपके राइट से देखिए.
थोड़ा खींच एक ऊपर
अन्ना बोलो अन्ना अच्छा दिखता है चलिए
सर सर
चल 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 चल
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hand together to welcome our guest of honor this evening, Mr. Sunil Shetty. Born from a journey of difficult truths, intense research, and author's determination to bring a complex real life story to light very honestly and responsibly. Black Scorpion to Hell and Back is based on the extraordinary true story of Mr. Kishore Garikapati, brought to life by 3 seasoned journalists and media professionals, Mr. Vijay Shekhar, Mr. Raju Santanam, and Mr. Calvin Joshua, who together bring decades of credibility, courage, and narrative depth to this story. We are deeply honored to have with us a personality who embodies strength, who embodies integrity and quiet resilience, values that echo strongly with the soul of this book. A celebrated actor, a fitness icon, a producer, and someone who has always stood for discipline and social responsibility. Ladies and gentlemen, our guest of honor for this evening, Mr. Sunil Shetty. May I request the authors to please felicitate Mr. Sunil Shetty with a token of our appreciation. May I also now please request Ms. Palak from Bubble Communication to hand over Mr. Sunil Shetty a token of love.
A glow flickers everywhere. Feet on the ground, hearts in the sky. The rhythm pulls, don't ask me why. There's a light.
This book is a result of journalistic integrity meeting lived reality. Allow me to briefly introduce you to the mind behind Black Scorpion to Hell and Back. Mr. Vijay Shekhar, a veteran journalist with more than 30 years of experience shaping public discourse. He is respected for his investigative work, media leadership, and deep insight into the world of crime, entertainment, as well as politics. Mr. Raju Santanam here, an eminent journalist with over four decades of experience in print and television. He is the former editor-in-chief Zee News, editor of The Statesman. Raju sir is known for his investigative coverage and impactful research-driven work. Mr. Calvin Joshua, a seasoned journalist and a pioneer in crime reporting. Calvin's work reflects a real understanding of the Mumbai underworld. It not only brings journalistic experience, but also deep sense of empathy and what you can say, a sense of purpose to this narrative. Together, ladies and gentlemen, they have not just written a book, they have documented survival. And last but not the least, this story would not exist without the extraordinary life it is based on. We would like to acknowledge Mr. Kishore Garikapati, whose resilience and courage form the backbone of this book. And may I now invite Ms. Aarti Nautiyal from Bubble Communication to introduce the authors and moderate the next segment of this evening. Ms. Aarti, please.
Namaste, मैं आरती नौटियाल. I mean, this pretty much sounded like how I would start at Zee News. And first of all, I'm very happy. It's a very, I would say, nostalgic moment and proud moment for me more than anybody else here. Because, Vijay here has, all three of them have been my colleagues at Zee News. And I see so many more in the audience. So thank you to all of you for being here. And the first thing, in fact, Vijay, why did you think, I mean, what came to your mind when you thought that Mr. Shetty, it has to be him because, he's played so many cops in real life and also villains, but at the same time, Bombay underworld during the 80s and 90s when, all of you were so instrumental in covering and exposing so many stories. What was your first thought?
So first of all, I'd like to say that, Mr. Sunil Shetty has been a dear friend for decades now, and we know each other from these many years, 30 years, yeah. I can't think of anybody better than him to actually, be part of this and inaugurate this book and launch this book because his understanding of stories is so great. I mean, I remember when I started off as a film journalist, and when I used to write my stories, I used to always consult him on a lot of things. And, he was like a mentor to me even those days. Those days, he would guide me on so many things. I'm sure he does not remember many of those. But I remember every word that he said. So for me, that is always a pleasure to have him here. Other than that, his, the characters he has played, as you said, that, he's played cop roles. But most of the awards that he's won has been when he plays maybe a gangster or something like that. So that has been something, and I hope, we have been hoping that he reads this book. He's read part of it, but he reads the whole book, and we will work together on this also in the future.
No, he's already committed. They've already committed the story to me. So it's not that I hope and stuff like that. That was a commitment I took. Just reading the synopsis of the story, because it always interests me. 90s is the year we came into cinema, I came into cinema, and that was the year the underworld was at peak, and being a Shetty boy, I think somewhere or the other, somebody from the family or the other was involved in it because of all that we went through in our lives, and suddenly you realize that one doesn't become a gangster because he wants to be a gangster. He's pushed into it or he moves in. Sometimes it's fascination, sometimes it's what you go through in life and you're pushed, and when your back's against the wall, you want to stand up and have your own. And I think that's what happened to the community. So that's something that I resonate very, very, very closely with.
Like, you mentioned, I mean, you've done an array of, characters. You've got them to life on screen. I mean, for all of us, like Vijayji mentioned, that so many of us would, seek your advice. And you always very openly spoke about any issue that, would be thrown at you. For that matters, these days, I mean, a lot of times, courage was the word that we used for the introduction of the book and the occasion, and that is something which comes so naturally to you. I mean, you know, be it in real life or real life. Any particular incident that you would want to talk about from real life that, you know, needed a lot of courage in this particular context?
I think in the early 90s, I remember shooting at Goregaon, and we were shooting in one of the gyms, which was owned by then, he had a security company, and somewhere down the line he used the power of the security that he had for land grabbing and also creating a lot of problems. And I was shooting there, and suddenly, because it was a gym sequence, you know, they expected you to train all day, and you wanted to train all day because you wanted to look muscular. And in the afternoon, I was sitting, lying on that bench there because I was so tired, and suddenly I had my sound dada who came to me with no teeth in the front and bleeding. And I said, what happened? He said, no, ye ghosh ke aadmi log aake humko mare, or because they haven't been paid and things like that. I went out and I said, why did you do what you did? And he says, nahi, you know, our permission was not taken. So I said, who are you to take, why should we take your permission? And I remember a fight breaking out. And all hell broke loose. I hit, and I was a trained fighter. When I hit hard. Yes. And a lot of them got beaten up. We went to the police station. Because he was connected, the case was reverse filed upon us. And there was trouble. And that night, Ghosh had a restaurant there called Royal Challenge or something like that, you know, in Goregaon, Film City. And there was a shootout and a whole lot of stuff happened. And then they believed that I was responsible for it because I was a Shetty boy and I had complained, whereas I had not done anything. I had no connection at all. So I still remember that time, you know, a few times when fights broke out, there was trouble. And that's when I decided, you know, I'm going to stay away from all this because the surname carries so much weight, everybody feels you're going to fight back. But then I also came from a community that believed in pride, that believed, you know, in self-respect. And that's why. So I can never forget the 90s. We did films because we were threatened. I had security because I was threatened. Ki picture kar, date itni de de, wo de de. All that used to happen then. So 90s is an era, 80s, 90s. Then came the sharpshooters, you know, the cops came in. How they busted this whole crime scenario was a fascinating world. So naturally the book fascinated me, and the synopsis when I went through it, and I've been sitting with them even now, talking about stories, where they went, what happened. It's so interesting, and the best part is, like I keep saying, you know, after Dhurandhar, everybody's saying, Bollywood is back, I said, no, Bollywood is finished. What is back is Hindi cinema. And what got us till here was Hindi cinema. We switched to become the wood, which we were never a part of. And that's why Hindi cinema is back. Narratives are back, great narratives are back. OTT is giving you an opportunity to narrate such stories and understand what it is, true stories, real cinema, films like Border doing well. So I think, yeah, times have changed for sure, and this is the kind of cinema today's generation would want to see and understand. Ki, my God, was there a time like this also? And hats off to all three of them. You know, you see their body of work, the kind of risks they've taken, and gone into crazy places and understood what happened then.
I think for all of us here, we have a perfect combination. We have three real-time, real-life crime journalists. And then we have Mr. Shetty, who's, you know, like he mentioned, he is, you know, a sportsman right from his childhood. He's been, you know, practicing sports. And then in films and real life, like he mentioned, he has the courage. But also, interestingly, he's played cop in nearly 18 to 19 films. But the awards that you received, majority of the time, you know, I remember the character in Awara Pagal Divana, and then even for Dharkan. For all the villainous characters, he's got the majority award. So is it that हिंदी फिल्म जो हमारी इंडस्ट्री है, हमें थोड़ा वो जो जैसे धुरंधर आपने अभी मेंशन किया, तो वो जो एक यू नो वो एक ग्रे शेड का जो एक तड़का है,
जरूर एजी, क्योंकि उसमें आपको प्ले करने का भी मज़ा आता है। आप जब भी देखो तो नेगेटिव कैरेक्टर हो तो बॉडी लैंग्वेज हो या बात करने का तरीका हो या माइंडसेट हो, वैक्ट आउट होता है। हीरो हमेशा बोलते हैं कि हाँ फिल्म का हीरो है, लेकिन हीरो को सीधा रहना, हीरो को सही रहना वो बहुत ज़रूरी है। एंड सही समटाइम्स कैन बी बोरिंग when you're looking at it on screen, being a good boy all the time. Right. But whether it was Avara Pagal Divana and Yeda Anna, those mannerisms work. So writing helps those characters, but when you're a hero, it's tough to actually impress. Yeah. Because you feel, हाँ ये तो सभी कर रहे हैं.
Cool. On that note, I think there are a lot of friends from media here. We will first go towards Dipti. Will do the book unveiling first. The moment that all of us have come here for. Thank you so much for answering the questions and sharing
Pleasure.
those experiences.
I remember in one of your interviews you had said कि बोला जाता है कि कैरेक्टर नेगेटिव है, लेकिन वो नेगेटिव कहाँ है? मेरे बच्चे को अगर मारा गया है और दुश्मन बॉर्डर के बाहर है तो मैं नेगेटिव कहाँ हूँ? तो the thought resonated, sir, when you said that अंडरवर्ल्ड का आदमी या गैंगस्टर कोई ऐसे ही एक दिन सोच के नहीं बन सकता है और नहीं बन जाता है. That was really nice. And I would like to also, if Calvin and Raju sir, if you would like to share your thoughts and before we go ahead and really launch the book finally.
Yeah, thank you everybody. I'll share a few because I used to know Kishore by Garigapatti from a good friend, a reliable source. So whenever we wanted some stories or to confirm, so he was the right person to do it. And then we three met him, and what the story we heard was unheard of. We have read so many books from informers or from agencies or from cops, but this was a real fact where he himself made a gang and took on Dawood and many things like JJ Hospital shootout, and now thankfully he's reformed everything and all is set up. But what we have penned it down in the book was till now, it is not there in any book.
True.
And we made sure that this thing we have penned down in the book.
True.
Thank you.
Yeah, rightly said that it is very human at a core level. Raju sir, what would you like to say?
Yeah, what the three of us looking for, there's so many books on the underworld.
True.
Second-hand from police officers. Second-hand stories from police officers, from journalists, all that. We were looking for an insider account. And to my mind, this is the first ever first-hand insider account of the underworld. I don't think it's been done before. If Chota Rajan talks, yes, that could be. But at that phase, Kishore Bhai is the one who's got the courage, everything, to talk about what actually happened.
True.
It's also a great story, of course, the redemption story. So,
with so many ups and downs, seriously.
So a lot of effort had gone through it, a lot of research went into it, about close to about a year's research, fact-checking, all that we got into it. Please go ahead,
Thank you so much, Raju sir. And now the moment we all have been waiting for, ladies and gentlemen, the official book launching of Black Scorpion to Hell and Back. May I please request Mr. Sunil Shetty and the authors to do the honors. Wonderful. Thank you so much, sir. They want the boom. Yeah.
So we'll just quickly then do the signing of the book.
Okay, okay. All right. So now, can we do the signing of the book?
बट अगर हम आज के टाइम पे बात करें, हमने जैसे अभी खाने में देखा रोहित शेट्टी के घर पे जिस तरह से फायरिंग है, जिस तरह से सलमान खान को धमकियाँ मिलती रहती हैं, तो कहीं ना कहीं आज भी थ्रेट और आज भी इस तरह की चीज़ें आज भी हमारे इंडस्ट्री में, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में आप मानते हैं? क्या कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
अभी देखिए न्यूज़ के द्वारा ही पता चलता है कि ये सब हो रहा है और पहले जैसा नहीं है, इसलिए कहूँगा क्योंकि आज सरकार है, माहौल है बहुत अलग है, तो कहीं ना कहीं बहुत जल्दी मुझे तो पूरा यकीन है कि ये प्रॉब्लम को भी रिजॉल्व किया जाएगा। और रिपोर्ट्स, फायरिंग की रिपोर्ट्स है फॉर श्योर, लेकिन कौन, क्यों, क्या, इसके पहले की कोई हिस्ट्री भी नहीं, फ़ोन भी नहीं, तो किसी को कुछ पता ही नहीं है। अभी तो स्पेकुलेशन बहुत सारा हो रहा है। अनफॉर्चुनेटली ऐसा हो गया कि मीडिया भी न्यूज़ फर्स्ट कौन डाल सकता वो ढूंढ रहा है, न्यूज़ राइट है कि नहीं वो किसी को नहीं मालूम, तो सब स्पेकुलेशन में ही चल रहे हैं। आई थिंक बहुत कुछ चेंज हुआ है। इट्स फार मोर सिक्योर। 90s से तो बहुत ज़्यादा सिक्योर था, और 90s में देखिए कभी भी एक्टर्स या पॉलिटिशियंस या स्पोर्ट्समैन वैसे उनको टारगेट कभी नहीं करते थे। वो गैंग वॉर था, और गैंग वॉर में क्रॉस फायर में बहुत जो एक दूसरे को जानते थे उन्हें तकलीफ़ हुई है। 90s में तो हमें धमकी आती थी तो फिल्म करने के लिए धमकी आती थी, ये नहीं कि हम आपकी जान ले लेंगे या ऐसे वैसे। वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ फिल्म के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से था, और हम फिल्म करते भी थे, सेफ्टी के लिए फिल्म करते थे। हम एक्टर्स थे, एंड यू नो सभी लोग यही चाहते कि हम सेफ रहें।
सर 90s का समय कहा जाता है कि बहुत ही दर्दनाक समय था, लेकिन ये भी कहा जाता है कि बॉलीवुड का और फिर अंडरवर्ल्ड का संबंध रहा है, तो आपको क्या लगता है इसमें कितनी सच्चाई है?
मेरा संबंध रहा नहीं तो मैं तो इस पे ये नहीं। अभी आप लोग ये बुक पढ़ेंगे तो आपको बहुत सारी चीज़ें पता चल जाएगी। हम 90s की ही बात कर रहे हैं, एंड फ्रॉम द टॉप यू नो जर्नलिस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री, इन्वेस्टिगेटिव जर्नलिज्म जो कहते हैं, तो आई थिंक उसी के बारे में मेरा अगर पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस था या मेरा कुछ था तो मैं बोलता। बाकी मेरे जो थे जो प्रॉब्लम्स हुए थे मेरी लाइफ में, वो उसके बारे में मैं बोल सकता हूँ। और थ्रेट भी था, और इस वजह से सिक्योरिटी थी, पुलिस साथ में था, 2-3 साल के लिए पुलिस वाले साथ में थे, एंड जब पुलिस वाले साथ में थे तो हमेशा सेफ्टी रहती थी। वो आई थिंक वो बात आज भी है, यू नो हमारे फोर्स में वो ताकत है कि इंसान को सिक्योर ज़रूर रख सकते हैं, और वैसा ही होना भी चाहिए कि जब भी आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो So it's best to go to the law rather than take the law into your own hands.
So my question to all the three authors, sir, this idea of writing, and you all three have a different story in it, or it's one story that we are continuing with that. And second is like the gangster must be still existing. You must have written. Are they there? And you don't feel like any kind of threat for that how will they come on the book?
देखिए, इफ़ यू रियली आस्क मी अबाउट द फियर ऑफ जैसे हम लोग जर्नलिस्ट थे तो तब भी नहीं डरते थे, तो आज तो डरने से रहा। फ़र्क ये है कि जो स्टोरी लिखा गया है इट्स अ ट्रू क्राइम स्टोरी एंड द लाइफ ऑफ श्याम किशोर गरिगापट्टी। वी हैव स्पेंट 100 hours with him, interviewed him, went back checked his story, went to other sources also, spoke to them, and that's how we came together. So it's basically his life story of crime and redemption. मतलब इसमें खास बात ये है कि अब तक जितने बुक्स लिखे गए हैं वो एक पुलिस पर्सपेक्टिव से लिखा गया है या फिर एक थर्ड पार्टी पर्सपेक्टिव से, बट हमारा ये स्टोरी है फर्स्ट पर्सन में लिखा गया, उनके आवाज़ में उन्होंने जो नरेट किया उसी को हमने बुक में उतारा है। तो I think no book has been written the way it has been written in this one, because it is lot of stories which came out। हम लोग मतलब कैल्विन तो बहुत सीनियर क्राइम रिपोर्टर था, सर वाज आवर एडिटर, माय बॉस अर्लियर, तो उन्होंने भी मतलब वी ourselves were shocked by some of the stories that came out in this। हम लोग सरप्राइज थे कि अच्छा ऐसा हुआ था, हमको तो ये लगा था, क्योंकि अब तक जितने भी जर्नलिज्म किया गया है दैट इज़ कम फ्रॉम द पुलिस फाइल्स, and this is now we are going to the other side and asking आपकी स्टोरी क्या है,
which is जो आई थिंक ब्यूटी होगी इस किताब की, कि उनकी भी अपनी कहानी है। जैसे कि मैंने पहले भी कहा, कोई गैंगस्टर ऐसे ही शौक से गैंगस्टर नहीं बनता, यू नो, उनकी भी एक कहानी है, उनकी भी एक स्टोरी है। तो आई एम श्योर इट्स अ फिनोमिनल रीड।
The name itself is very different. It किसी को जाता है, एक लिखने वाले मतलब किसी की स्टोरी ऊपर जाता है या
ये श्याम किशोर गरिगापट्टी उनकी स्टोरी है और पुलिस ने उसको एक निकनेम दिया था उस वक्त, ब्लैक स्कॉर्पियन। अगर आप बुक पढ़ोगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि ये टाइटल क्यों दिया गया है। ये पुलिस फाइल्स में नहीं, उनका नाम तो फाइल्स में प्रॉपर नाम था, लेकिन उसका जो कोड नेम होता है वो ब्लैक स्कॉर्पियन था, उस वजह से।
अन्ना जी, इस इवेंट के बाद आपका सेल फोन आप स्विच ऑन रखेंगे, ऑफ रखेंगे, फ्लाइट मोड पे रखेंगे? आप बताइए
नहीं, किस वजह से?
इस इवेंट के बाद की कहीं आपको कॉल आया? सब मुझे नहीं पता, आप
कॉल आया तो रिसीव कर लूँगा और बोलूँगा, जो बोलना है बोलूँगा। मैं क्यों बंद करूँ कॉल? तभी मैंने बंद नहीं किया, तो आज कैसे बंद करूँ और किस वजह से बंद करूँ? मेरा तो अच्छा ही है सबके साथ। तो जब मेरे लिए गैंगस्टर्स, सबसे बड़े गैंगस्टर्स कौन है पता है? आज की तारीख में आप लोग। डर सिर्फ और सिर्फ मीडिया से लगता है कि क्या छाप देंगे, क्योंकि आजकल अब्यूज व्यूज है। हुज राइट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट, हुज फर्स्ट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट। न्यूज़ पहले फैला दो, तो मेरे को डर सबसे बड़े गैंगस्टर आप लोग और तू खास कर।
कल से स्टार्ट हो रहा है,
कल से
स्टार्ट हो रहा है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे? और इसके साथ ही साथ तो पाकिस्तान का जो नया ड्रामा चालू हुआ है 15 अगस्त के लिए, उनके लिए क्या है?
आप ही ने कहा पाकिस्तान का नया ड्रामा, तो ड्रामा ही है। मैं बस ये जानता हूँ कि अंडर 19 की टीम हो आज शायद हाँ जीत ही जाएगी। वैभव सूर्यवंशी 74 बॉल 175 था, और अगर चाहता तो 250 भी मारता था, बिकॉज ही वॉज एट इट। तो वो वर्ल्ड कप, जूनियर वर्ल्ड कप जीत रहे, और मैं चाहता हूँ कि T20 का ये वर्ल्ड कप इंडिया ही जीते, बिकॉज वी हैव अ फिनोमिनल टीम, वी हैव अ फैंटास्टिक टीम। जो बैलेंस है टीम का तो बहुत ही खूबसूरत है।
जो खेलने नहीं आ रहे तो कुछ क्या आप?
अरे मैं चाहूँगा कि पाकिस्तान आके श्रीलंका में खेले, न खेलने से क्या हो जाता है। एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत राइवलरी है इंडिया पाकिस्तान की, जैसे एशेस की राइवलरी है ऑस्ट्रेलिया और इंग्लैंड।
और इंडिया टीम को एक विश, इंडिया टीम को एक विश की कल से
नहीं, जैसे आप खेलते आ रहे हो वैसे ही खेलो, विश यही है, बस ऐसे ही खेले तो।
थैंक यू।
जी
आपने कहा था 500 करोड़ पार होगी तो ही मैं बॉडी।
आप मेरे को बताइए 500 पार हुई?
अभी तक
दो तीन
Thank you so much for your support and understanding.
Thank you, Anna.
With the book.
I'm not.
I am a huge fan since school days.
Authors had kept the book. I had.
दादा पीछे आओ ना अरुण पीछे हाँ पीछे सब पीछे आओ
थैंक यू
कहाँ गया हूँ शैतान?
एक खास बात बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि जो जिसके बारे में बुक है वो इस वक्त इस कमरे में है, आप लोग
जी बिल्कुल
से मिल सकते हैं।
फोन बंद करेंगे शैतान है यानी उड़ता तीर सर को लग जाएगा।